வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அதில் டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1ல் இந்த ஒரு பகுதியில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 2011 and 14 கேட்கப்பட்ட எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் பொருளாதார கேள்விகள். 2011 13 கேள்விகள், அதே மாதிரி 2014 ஒரு 18 கேள்விகள், மொத்தம் 31 கேள்விகள், 31 கொஸ்டின். சரிங்களா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், தி மோஸ்ட் டாமினன்ட் கான்ட்ரிபியூட்டர் டு ஜிடிபி இன் ரீசன்ட் இயர்ஸ். A. Agriculture, B. Industry, C. Services, D. Exports. The correct answer is C. Services. 2. Tamil Nadu is a major producer of A. Sunflower, B. Onion, C. Cotton, D. Sugarcane. The correct answer is D. Sugarcane. Third question. Which of the following is a feature of Tamil Nadu economy? A. High rural urban migration, B. Low man farm employment, C. High urbanization, D. Low urbanization. The correct answer is C. High urbanization. Which one of the following sectors is the major contributors to Tamil Nadu state gross domestic product? A. Agriculture and allied sectors, B. Secondary sector, C. Service sector, D. Informal sector. The correct answer is C. Service sector. Fifth question. When there is increase in economic development, the share of tertiary, that's service sector, in national income will A. increase, B. decrease, C. remain constant, D. remain proportional. The correct answer is A. increase. Sixth question. Who was not the member of the first National Income Committee of 1949? A. B.C. Melabonis, B. D.R. Godkill, C. Dadabhai Naoroji, D. V.K.R.V. Rao. The correct answer is C. Dadabhai Naoroji. Seventh question. Consider the following statements. Assertion. Regional disparities in development have been continuously decreasing in India due to planning. Reason. New technology in Indian agriculture is size neutral but not resource neutral. Now select your answer according to the coding scheme given below. A. Both A and R are true, or is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation to A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The correct answer is D. A is false, but R is true. Ninth question. The scope of land reforms does not include A. Abolition of intermediaries, B. Consolidation of land holdings, C. Cooperative farming, D. Housing loan to farmers. The correct answer is D. Housing loans to farmers. 10th question. The extent of rural electrification done in Tamil Nadu is A. 50%, B. 75%, C. 99%, D. 80%. The correct answer is C. 99%. 11th question. Which is the largest public sector bank in India? A. Indian Bank, B. Indian Overseas Bank, C. Canara Bank, D. State Bank of India. The correct answer is D. State Bank of India. 12th question. In India, life expectancy was considerably improved during the year 1981 to 2001 as 54 years to 65.3 years, B. 50 to 60 years, C. 50.2 to 61.3 years, D. 56 years to 66 years. So the correct answer is A, that is 54 years to 65.3 years. 13th question. Which of the following is a direct tax? A. Sales tax, B. Excise duty, C. Customs duty, D. None of these. The correct answer is D. None of these. So hereafter we follow 2014 economics question. Question number continues. 14th question. The main thrust of industrial policy statement 1977 was to A. Promote large scale industries, B. Develop basic industries, C. Encourage small scale and cottage industries, D. Encourage agriculture and allied activities. The correct answer is C. Encourage small scale and cottage industries. 15th question. Filling the blanks. India has been recognized as the dash country in the world to officially adopt family planning program in dash. A. First 1950, B. Second 1952, C. First 1952, D. Second in 1951. The correct answer is C. First 1952. 16th question. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDA Act was passed in the year A. 1986, B. 1991, C. 1999, D. 2005. The correct answer is C. 1999. 17th question. RBI launched the Market Stabilization Scheme MSS in 2004. A. For the sale and purchase of Indian currency. B. As an additional channel to mop up liquidity. C. To fix the rate of interest at the lower level. D. To control the general price level. The correct answer is B. As an additional channel to mop up liquidity. 18th question. The expert group to review the methodology for the estimation of poverty in India in the year 2009 was headed by A. M. Tandekal, B. L.R. Jain, C. Martin Ravilian, D. S. D. Tendulkar. The correct answer is D. S. D. Tendulkar. 19th question. Expenditure tax in India was introduced by A. T. T. Krishnamachari, B. C. Rajagopalachari, C. Yashwant Sinha, D. R. Venkatraman. The correct answer is A. T. T. Krishnamachari. 21st question. Consider the following statements. Assertion. According to the new economic policy, globalization is considered as an instrument of growth. Reason. Globalization increases the cost of transport and communication. Which is the correct answer? A. A is correct but R is wrong. B. A is wrong but R is correct. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is A. A is correct but R is wrong. 22nd question. The Special Economic Zone Act was enacted in February 2006. Identify which is not the objective of the SEZ. A. Generation and additional economic activity. B. Promotion of import. C. Creation of employment opportunities. D. Development of infrastructure facilities. The correct answer is B. Promotion of import. 23rd question. Consider the statements and reason. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Assertion. The Ratnagar Bank is referred as NH4 Bank in the banking circles. Reason. Majority of the business of the bank comes from cities and in around NH4, which connects 10 popular cities. A. Both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation to A. B. A is true, R is false. C. A is true, R is not the correct explanation to A. D. Both A and R are false. The correct answer is A. Both A and R are correct. R is the correct explanation to A. 24th question. In India, electricity consumption is given importance to the following sector in order according to its importance given by the government. A. Industry, agriculture, railway traction and public lighting. B. Agriculture, industry, public lighting and railway traction. C. Agriculture, public lighting, industry and railway traction. D. Industry, agriculture, public lighting and railway traction. The correct answer is A. Industry, agriculture, railway traction and public lighting. 25th question. Which is the literacy rate of female population in India in the year 2011? A. 65.5%, B. 75.3%, C. 82.1%, D. 64.5%. The correct answer is A. 65.5%. 26th question. Foreign aid can perform the following gap filling functions in UDCs. 1. Savings gap. 2. Foreign exchange gap. 3. Technological and management gap. 4. Natural resources gap. A. 2 and 3, B. 1 and 2, 3, C. 1 and 2, D. 2 only. The correct answer is B. 1, 2 and 3. 27th question. The growth of which one of the following remains an important objective and necessary condition for inclusive growth? A. Agriculture and allied sectors. B. Industrial sector. C. Service sectors. D. External sector. The correct answer is A. Agriculture and allied sectors. 28th question. Dangal proposal was related to A. GATT. B. UNO. C. IMF. D. IBRD. The correct answer is A. GATT. GATT. Consider the following statement. 1. India is a major energy producer. 2. India is the major energy consumer. 3. India faced power shortage since 1950-51. Which is the correct answer? A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2 only, D 1, 2 and 3. The correct answer is D 1, 2 and 3. 30th question. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Gross national product will always be more than the GDP. Statement 2. To cut GNP, net factor income from abroad is added to GDP. Find the correct answer. A. Both statements are individually true, but statement 2 is the correct explanation to statement 1. B. Both the statements are individually true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation to statement 1. C. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. D. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. The correct answer is D. Statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. 31st question. Consider the following statement. Assassin price policy aims at controlling fiscal deficit. Reason. Fiscal deficit leads to inflationary pressure. Which is a correct answer? A is correct, but R is wrong. B. A is wrong, but R is correct. C. Both A and R are wrong. D. A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation to A. The correct answer is D. A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation to A. Right? So, thank you very much. With this, Group 1 Economics is over. So, we will see some other subject of the TNPSC Group 1 in the next video. Thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.